To set up YouTube TV on your LG Smart TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Open the LG Content Store and search for YouTube TV. Select the YouTube TV app and click Install. Once installed, open the app and you will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one and then sign in. After signing in, you will be asked to select your location and agree to the terms of service. You will then be taken to the YouTube TV home screen where you can browse through the available channels and content. You can also search for specific shows or movies using the search bar. To customize your YouTube TV experience, click on the settings icon and select your preferred settings, such as adding or removing channels, setting up parental controls, and adjusting the video quality. You can also use the LG TV remote control to navigate through the YouTube TV app and access its features. It is also important to note that you need to have a YouTube TV subscription to access its content. If you don't have a subscription, you can sign up for a free trial or a paid subscription through the YouTube TV website. Once you have a subscription, you can access YouTube TV on your LG Smart TV and other supported devices. In addition, make sure your LG Smart TV is running the latest software to ensure compatibility with the YouTube TV app. You can check for software updates in the TV settings menu. By following these steps, you can easily set up YouTube TV on your LG Smart TV and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies.